Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the frequently asked questions on payments in the Tiqets application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the options button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the help section, click on the frequently asked questions button. And then click on the payments button. And here you will find all the payments related questions. So if you're interested in any of these, then just click on that. And as you can see, you will find a detailed answer to the question. And if you found this helpful, you can support them by giving a feedback. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.